to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. You know, Thanksgiving is coming up, and I don't know about you, but my favorite thing for all of Thanksgiving is the pumpkin pie. However, it's got a lot of refined sugar and a lot of dairy in a conventional pumpkin pie. This one takes the cake, or takes the pie. It's delicious, it's nutritious, it's wonderful, and it's great for all things holiday. So, let's get started. We're gonna start with 2 cups of almond flour. I'm going to put that in the food processor. 3 tablespoons of flax meal or flax seed. And I'm actually going to put my lid for my food processor on right now, and I'm going to let it start blending while I pour in my liquids. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to pour that in slowly. And 1/3 cup of water. And that creates a ball. And I'm going to put this all into a pie pan. And I'm just going to press this down until make it even. All right, so there's your pie crust. I'm going to take a fork and poke a few holes in it in the bottom. Just give it some breathing room. And I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. All right, while the crust is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make the filling. We're going to take a 14-ounce can of pumpkin. Make sure that this is just the plain pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling, because that has all kinds of sugars in it that you don't want. 1 1/3 cup of pitted dates. 3/4 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk. 1/4 cup of either arrowroot powder or cornstarch, 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to blend this all together until it's smooth and well blended. All right, this is what it looks like. This will go in the crust when it comes out of the oven. This will go back into the oven for 45 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how to do the cashew cream sauce, because you got to have whipped cream on pumpkin pie. That's just all there is to it. Okay, to make the whipped cream, 1 cup of cashews, 3 dates, that in the blender, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and somewhere between 1/2 and 3/4 cup of water. And we're just going to blend this until it's smooth. That looks like a dollop of whipped cream. So, keep this in an airtight container in your refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.